Here's how to loose lace Nike V5 RNRs. Start by taking hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side. And you want to take the lace end down into those from above. So just put one in the left, pull it through a little bit, and then put that lace out the way. Swap to the other side and bring your lace end down into the very bottom eyelet on the right. And before you pull all that through, here's a little trick you can do. Take a hold of your two laces, grab your sneakers and pull, and that will mean your laces will come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, just pause the video and make sure they're equal before we get started. Great, once yours are of equal length, we're going to take a hold of the lace on the left and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on the right, from above. So take that lace end down into that eyelet, from above this time, and then pop it out the way. Swap to your right hand lace, bring it over to the left, and you want to bring this down into the second eyelet on the left from above. Looking good. Then keep a hold of this lace on the left and you want to bring it over to the right and up through that little loop. Swap back to the one on the right, bring it over to the left and up through the little loop on the left. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all with this, and just make sure you go at your own pace. Now we've reached the little tongue loop, we're going to keep a hold of our lace on the left, bring it through that tongue loop, and then down into the next empty eyelet on the right from above. And this should be the second eyelet down from the top. So bring that lace through that from above. Then you want to swap to your other lace and we're going to bring it through the tongue loop. You want to make sure it's just sitting neatly on top of the other one. And then you want to bring this lace down into the next empty eyelet on the left from above. Looking good. And keep a hold of it. Bring it over to the right and then down into the final eyelet on the right from above. Swap to the other one and do the same on this side. Bring it over to the left and down into the final eyelet from above. And what we're going to do here is keep a hold of this lace on the left, take it behind the sneaker tongue, and then you want to bring it up through the very top eyelet on the right that already has the lace through it, but bring it up through there from underneath. It's a little bit fiddly, but just pull it through. And you want to bring it through around about this much. Then you can just go ahead and tuck the excess lace out of sight. Swap to your other lace and you're going to do the same on the left. Bring it behind the sneaker tongue and up through the very top eyelet on the left that already has a lace through it. You just pull that through. And that'll lock your laces in place. They won't come loose and you'll be able to slip your feet in and out without the need for tying them up each time. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Nike V5 RNRs. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for all your sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot.